Today I'm gonna show this small basic boost motor layout over here. Okay, it's not the smallest you can find on YouTube, but it is the smallest for me, because all my other ones, as you can see over there, are much larger. So this one is small in my collection. This is the aluminum rotor, 12 pole. It is sitting on a 4 head bearing. This is the trigger coil, as you can see. This is just a wooden slide, so I can slide it forward like this. And on this side, the drive side is very simple, it's very basic. Just a source capacitor, the drive coil, and this is a tip 142 Darlington transistor, diode, 1K resistor, and here I have a small capacitor because this setup doesn't have much back EMF. In the beginning a little bit more, when once up to speed, very little, very little. So whatever back EMF is left over, I'll capture that little bit in this small capacitor over here. This is a very simple setup, very basic. It is a test bed because I'm testing this drive coil over here, because I'm planning to build another boost motor. That's why I'm testing this drive coil over here. Gonna start it up. It is running. Let me put my safety glasses on. I have tested already, but I haven't driven it to its maximum speed because the speed is absolutely ridiculous. That is what you get when you combine a boost motor without back EMF or very little back EMF in this matter. That is connected now. Gonna give it a little spin and we will see. Gonna start with the trigger coil over here. I'm gonna try to do it with one hand, little spin. There she goes. I hope the rotor doesn't fly off. Gonna leave the trigger coil over here. It is still speeding up. Still speeding up. It's pretty scary. If that rotor should come off, it will hit me in the stomach. That will be absolute pain. Still speeding up. I don't know the RPM, but it is pretty fast. The heatsink is not warm, not hot, just a little bit warm, not much. Gonna disconnect it now. It will keep spinning away. Gonna stop it now with a sponge. Okay. Oops. That was pretty intense. The reason I'm doing that with this sponge because I'm polishing the rotor at the same time. So why not? Nice and shiny. The reason I'm testing this coil over here is because I have this thing over here. I'm gonna show you what I mean. I have this long shaft over here, as you can see. This is a shaft I designed and made with spacers. The idea is I want to put one rotor like this, drive rotor in the middle, and two generator rotor on each side. But that's why I'm testing it over here. I'm pretty happy with the result of the drive coils and the combination of the tip 142 with the layout of the rotor. So maybe I'm going to use this rotor in the middle. I don't know yet. I have a lot of rotors, so need to do more testing. This is the reason for this tiny setup now. I'm gonna drive it one more time. I don't have any measurements. It's not the point now to do measurements. Just want to know it is running okay, and it does. Gonna start it up one more time. Get the spin. It takes some time to start up. Gonna leave it over there. The sound it's making is pretty nice. It's like a high performance motor. I can play with the trigger coil, put it over here, or put it next to it. The closer, of course, the more energy goes to the base of the transistor, and the more power you get. It's still speeding up. It's running pretty good. So it is for me a very nice test bed for my drive coil over here, in combination with a 12-pole rotor. Let me stop it and also shine it a little bit more. Yeah. Let me show you beneath the rotor. Come up. Yes, as you can see, nothing there. Just a VHS or video recorder bearing head. There it is. This is a aluminum rotor I designed myself and made myself. I don't have the equipment, so I have to borrow or pay for it. But anyway, as you can see, almost all my rotors are in a flywheel design. It does help a lot with the momentum you're getting from it. So basically, this is a video on this. This is nothing under it. Just a hole. Yeah, it's a short video on this. So the idea is for me to use this shaft I designed also, and with spacer and all. Everything I learned till now I will introduce in this post mode over here. I'm also gonna show you beneath my bench. I also repair, don't know if you can see that, yeah. I also repair my 36 pole rotor, which is over here. So I will be starting doing testing with this pulse motor again. I have two of these coils. Each of one coil gave me 2 watt output, so we're gonna see what they can do with the 36 pole. Not with this rotor. This rotor is far too small for these coils, or these coils are far too big for that rotor. Okay, that's about it. Just an update on what I'm doing. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.